Hello guys, here I am again with solution to some of your headaches in Premiere Pro. In no particular order, let's get started. Number one, sometimes when your timeline freezes, like the video is playing on your program monitor, but your playhead is not moving. Or sometimes you're moving the playhead just to scroll through your timeline. You see the video playing, but the playhead is not moving. What you can do is go to your project monitor, right click on these three lines and click preview area. Somehow it just fix the issue. Number two, let's take a look at this example. This is a very basic photo slide here. Assuming you have something like this or even more complicated and you want to change a particular picture in this slide. All you do is go to your project monitor, double click on the new picture you want to use. When you open up your source monitor, go back to your timeline, right click to the one you want to change and go up to replace with clip and choose the first option. You don't have to delete the picture, bring in another picture or a copy attribute, paste attribute, whatever. Number three, essential graphics. The best way to add your essential graphics, instead of clicking this button to add them one after the other, which is a waste of time and also not organized at all, copy all the files to a place where you want them to stay on your PC, then go to your essential graphics panel in Premiere Pro, right click on these three lines, go to manage additional file, then add. Navigate to the location where you kept those files, click on the folder, and here are the things you just added. Number four, this is a very simple one. I've mentioned it on the channel before. Let's say you have this edit here and then you intentionally or mistakenly delete the audio. What you can do to get it back is just click on it, make sure your playhead is there, hit F on your keyboard, it will appear on your source monitor, then you can grab the audio from there. Number five, I love being organized, and one of the ways I stay organized in my timeline is I apply colors to the clips to differentiate them from each other. But sometimes you highlight some particular one, you go to your label, you change the color, and then the color is applied to everything. What you can do is go to these two icons here, click on it and go up to show source clip name and label. And now the problem is fixed. The last one, I've had some of my friends that just got into editing ask me how to export a portrait video in Premiere Pro. What you can do is if you take a portrait video or a portrait picture or anything, just use that to create your new sequence by right clicking new sequence from clip, or you create a new sequence which is the normal 1920 by 1080 HD or any size sequence, and then you go up to sequence settings, switch the numbers, make this 1080 and make this 1920. Now if you want to export it, there's a particular settings you have to change in your export settings. If you don't change it, you still export a landscape video with black sides. So you come here, change this to match source, just make sure you choose match source. That's it guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and drop a comment down below. Feel free to say anything, request for a video you like to see on the channel, anything at all. Just say something to me in the comment section. A lot of good things are coming to the channel, so stay tuned. Thank you, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.